and this is my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here today. Today we are here to celebrate day 24 of Vlogtober. That means we only have 7 days left of our Vlogtober celebration, guys. 7 days. That is insane, but we did it, guys, and I feel like I have been learning so much on this journey. I hope you guys have too. So this week we are working on developing healthy sleep habits. Yesterday, the step that we discussed was deciding on a set bedtime for each night. Did you guys pick a bedtime? Let me know down in the comments. I had said that I would like my bedtime to be 10 p.m. And then we discussed that we need to start working on our bedtime routine anywhere from 2 hours to 30 minutes before that bedtime. So let's go ahead and hop on this laptop and see what our steps for today are. Again, I'm going back to the Sleep Foundation website that we checked out yesterday. I will make sure I link it down below. The title of the article is Bedtime Routines for Adults. And step number 2, not going to be my favorite, but I knew it was coming. I was thinking about it last night. Step number 2 says to leave electronics alone. I'm telling you, the only time I have to watch YouTube anymore is when I'm going to bed, but I'll do it for you guys. Let's read and see why we have to torture ourselves and put away the electronics. I'm gonna throw a fit. I'm not, but I'm not happy about it. It's gonna be hard, really hard. We can do it though, right? Do it together. Okay. Despite what you think, your favorite Netflix show does not help you relax, nor does scrolling on Instagram. Electronic devices, including computers, televisions, smartphones, and tablets, all emit a strong blue light. When you use these devices, that blue light floods your brain, tricking it into thinking it's daytime. As a result, your brain suppresses melatonin production and works to stay awake. Now, I don't know, I don't want to assume, but I'm guessing most of us have heard of melatonin and how it helps us fall asleep. In fact, many people, including myself at times and my children, take melatonin to help fall asleep. So if we take that, can we watch TV while we fall asleep? I know. Fine, I'll follow the rules. But it hurts my heart. Don't play tricks on your brain. Say goodnight to your electronics at the beginning of your bedtime routine. If you can, avoid using electronics in the evening as much as possible. What the heck? Not just bedtime, as much as possible in the evening? Whew. My heart's pounding. I'm worse than my kid. Be sure to turn on your phone's red light filter well before your bedtime routine even begins. So if you accidentally look at it, it won't be as disruptive. Red light filter. I have not heard of that, but I'm definitely going to have to check that out. And I'm just going to have to find a different time of day where I get to sit down and watch my YouTube videos, which honestly, I would love to get up in the morning by myself and just relax and have a cup of coffee and watch YouTube videos. So maybe, here's a positive. My wheels are turning. Look, my wheels are turning is what I'm trying to say, but clearly making a fool of myself even more than usual, which is fine. Not a lot of shame in my game. But what I was trying to say, maybe by turning off the electronics in the evenings before I go to bed, I can do it. I will get a better night's sleep, and I will be able to get up earlier in the mornings to watch my YouTube videos and to talk to you guys. So there's a positive in that. What do you guys think? Oh, it scares me so bad. Do you guys watch TV or Netflix or YouTube or anything like that while you're falling asleep? And if you do, what are you planning to do to replace it? I mean, maybe an audiobook, or does that count as electronics? I think it's the screen time they want us to avoid. Or reading a book, actually. Something, I don't know. So let's discuss. What are you guys going to do while you are calming down for the evening instead of watching TV or being on your phone or using electronics. Let's start listing some ideas down below of things that we can do. I'm going to say read a book. I love reading. Maybe that's something that I could do in the evenings to help calm my brain down before heading to bed. Let's share our ideas with our friends, guys, because this task sounds extremely scary and extremely daunting to me, but I'm going to do it. We're going to get this. We're going to get some good night's sleep, guys. It is going to happen. All right. I got to let you go because I've got to get these videos uploaded. I did post my 800 subscriber giveaway winner video as well as my 850 subscriber giveaway announcement video earlier today. I will link that down in the comments. So if you guys entered the 800 subscriber giveaway and you want to know who the winner is, or if you would like to get in on this 850 subscriber giveaway, check out that link down below. I think that is it. If you give this video a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it. Please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. And also, in order to win my giveaways, you do need to be subscribed to my channel. So, that being said, I hope you all have a fantastic, wonderful day. Don't forget, pick your bedtime. And we need to make sure that we are limiting the electronic use in the evenings and turning it off at least, I don't know, I'm guessing 2 hours to 30 minutes before we actually lay down to go to sleep so that our brain doesn't think that it's still daytime and do things to keep us awake. So, okay, all right, there's my scientific technical explanation. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you tomorrow for sleep tip number 3. Bye, guys.